Good morning campers and welcome back to another video from Cosmic Campervans. Today I'm going to be showing you through this luxurious VW Transporter conversion, and this is based on a long wheelbase transporter. So there is an extra amount of space in this, and I wanted to show you just how practical this is and just how good of a conversion we've completed on this. Now, just for your information guys, we did do this in two stages. So the first stage was a stage 1 conversion where we did all the roof, the carpeting, the windows and some of the electrics, and then the customer wanted to go out in the van for a bit, use it for a couple of months, and then decided that they wanted the second stage doing straight away. So of course they brought it back to us and we've completed a full interior conversion. So we've gone for the furniture and some final finishing touches. So I'm going to get straight into it and show you exactly what we've completed on this conversion. And if you would like something like this, obviously you can contact us at Cosmic Campervans. Follow the link in the description below, or go straight to our website and contact us and we'll be happy to help you straight away. So starting off, we're going to go through the full list of things that we've done on this conversion. It is very comprehensive. We've gone for the Storm pop top. This is the long wheelbase with the standard grey canvas, so the charcoal grey. We've also on the outside got the Fiamma awning. So this is the pull-out awning which would come out all the way over here, and that's mounted onto the Remo rail which acts as the rain gutter as well. So this is the correct and safest way to mount a Fiamma awning onto the side of the van with a pop top. So that's the exterior and the pop top fitted. Now on the pop top we've also done a solar panel so that the customer can go off grid for a few days if they needed to, and that's going to keep their leisure battery topped up, which would power their fridge and their 12-volt system and all the sockets inside the van as well. So let's move into the van where the majority of the work has been done. Right, so as you can see here guys, we've done an absolutely stunning set of units with a rib bed as well. And I think this is probably one of the most beautiful vans that we've done in a long time actually. So this laminate is called Seagrass. So it's a very striking, kind of like pale blue, but it looks absolutely phenomenal when it's paired next to this solid oak worktop. We've got the lift up lid here with lots of storage underneath here, so you can actually get loads of things in here with the gas strut enabled lid as well. Up here we've got our electrical socket panels. So we've got the USB chargers, the voltmeter, 12-volt auto socket, switch for the lights which are on dimmers as well, so you can dim this up and down, and then we've got 2 plug sockets as well for the customer to be able to plug in any 240-volt appliances. We've got a few storage pockets, a shelf above here, and then overall in these units there's a massive amount of storage space. So we've got loads of room underneath here. There's just room everywhere to store so much stuff in this van, which is essential really, because when you've got a long wheelbase van you may as well put the space to use. We've got soft closing drawers and more storage underneath here. Now, this particular customer didn't actually want a sink or a hob, so they've gone for the solid worktop, which in my opinion is actually quite practical, because in reality, not a lot of people actually use the sink and the hobs to do any cooking or washing up. So you can gain all of this nice worktop area without having the sink in the place and taking up a lot of the storage space. So it's actually very practical without having the sink and the hob. Moving on, we've got the van shades. So they look absolutely fantastic as well. These are the cappuccino blinds, and we've got some extra plug sockets at the side as well. This customer requested them to be mounted there. Then we've got our Dometic low power fridge. This has also got the freezer function at the top. So this is going to keep all their beers nice and cold when they head out on their adventures. And another drawer up here for even more storage. Moving on, we've also fitted the rib bed. So the rib bed in our opinion is absolutely the best bed to go for. It allows you to have so much space in the van, and it's actually a very comfortable sleeping and seating arrangement as well. We've got some doors on the drawers. And then on the side here, we've also got some more storage and more storage on the back. So you're never going to run out of storage in this van, that's for sure. The customer requested for 2 reading lights to be mounted at the back above the rib bed, where they're going to be reading their books, for example. So we've got 2 stalk lights mounted here, and they actually have USB chargers built into them as well. So they're going to be very practical for the customer. So as I said, we already had done all the roof for them, so we just done the lower half for them today, and that consisted of the units and the bed. So that's pretty much everything on this van. It's very comprehensive. A lot of work has gone into this van. It looks absolutely stunning. In my opinion, it's one of the nicest vans I've done for a long time. I think all the colours work really well. So guys, if you are interested in having a full conversion built by us, please do contact us. Go onto our website or comment on the video below. We're happy to help. We can do conversions for VW Transporters, for Transits and some other vehicles as well. We also do pop tops for quite a lot of different vehicles, but if you need carpet lining, diesel heaters, electrics, all these kind of different services, we're here to help you. Just contact us and we'll see what we can do for you.